Assalamualaikum viewers, we are back with another video. In this video, we'll implement Multiplexer using Quartus software. Without further ado, we'll move on to our Multiplexer using our mux using first method, and this is our code in which this is mux using first method. First module will initialize our variables, and also we have output input, and we'll connect wire not control to one, name as not control 2, w x y z. Also we have not negate for and gate and or gate for this, and you can see, and here is our schematic diagram in order to our implementation, how we implement our mux using first method. These are 4 AND gates and 1 OR gates, and it's our output. So here's our output waveform. So how, what it is showing, uh, let's see how this so this is our mux mux implementation. This is our waveform. You can see here control 1, control 2 are and input 1, input 2, and input 3, 4, and output. So output is here. So implementation is using second method. This is here, and we will using our second method. uh, so here's a code, and you can see here, um, this is our second method code for implementation of mux, which is module output input as in 1 in 2 in 3 in 4, control and control 2. Also we have some output, its condition is here. So we'll see how its geometry diagram and our output waveform is going to work. And also we have 4 AND gates and 1 OR gate. Let's see how output waveform is. Output waveform is similar to last one, and also input waveform is also quite similar to our first method, but output is same. Now we have implementing mux using method 3. In method 3 we use our regional output always case and default method in our code. So this is our code, and schematic is this our mux symbol. Okay. um, uh, in left side we have inputs. First is control 1, control 2 is connected to each other, and input 1 to 4 is connected to each other, and going to this. So we have our mux and its output waveform. You can see output waveform is also same in each method. Why we because we are implementing it we are implementing it we are making same mux, and for this we have our you can see here we are implementing our mux. So example number 1 for this and in code is here. Also so this code will show you how it is going to work. um, we're using wire, assign, output, input, and it's a schematic diagram. um, so um, Also we have output waveform as when D is 1110 and Q is on, then select will be B10, and this is output waveform of example number 1. And this example number 2 is this is code is here. um, so okay. um, yes. um, this our wire is and this is a schematic diagram. You can see also we have output waveform when D is 1110 and Q is 0 is off, and select will be 00. And it's a if statement code. It will show you how it's going to work through our okay. When if is when we select 0, then Q will be 0, and if select will select 1, then Q will be 1 and 2 and 3 and so on and so forth. And it's our schematic diagram you can see here. And okay. Yes. Okay, now we move to our output waveform, which has D is 0011. Then our output is 0, Q is 0, and select will be 1 1. And it's a conditional statement output. It shows our when condition how condition is going to work. And let's move on to our schematic diagram, which is here. And our out we're using two mux equal statement, three equal statement, and three mux using this. And when D is 111000, and Q will be on, and select will be 1 1. And last we have demultiplexer using gate level and logic statement, case statement, and if statement. First is our give gate level implementation of code, which is not gate, and gate. And it's our four and gate first. And output waveform is here, you can see. And secondly we have our code of above statement, which you use output 3 to 1 into connecting to AND gate, which have four AND gate we have. And in this schematic diagram we have 6 AND gate, which is connected and gives output as here. We have output 0 is given here, output 1, output 2, and output 3. Also we have case statement implementation, which also display our code. And its output waveform is here. So it is our if statement. When select is 0, output is 0 is equal to 1, and select 1, output will be given to 1 and 2 and 3 and so forth so on. We have 4 equal operators. And we have outputs. And this when input is 1 and output is 1x, which is can change. And when select is 1 1, then it is going to 1 1. So today we have implemented mux using different methods. And using we have done if statement and a gate statement. I hope you liked the video. And we will get back to you after for a live statement simulation, so you can learn better. That is for today video. Allah Hafiz.